Chapter 1: Evolution of Computers. Computer is an amazing machine. We are living in the world where most of our day-to-day activities cannot be accomplished without using computers. It is used at almost every workplace, be it banks, hospitals, schools, airports, entertainment industry, and so on. Have you ever wondered how and when computer came into existence? The present-day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices. Let us learn more about it. Calculating devices. Abacus. The history of computers starts out about 2000 years ago in Babylonia, Mesopotamia, at the birth of the abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device used to help an individual in performing mathematical calculations. It was developed in China. It was used to do simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Napier's bones. Napier's bone was invented by John Napier in 1617. It had numbers marked on bones or on strips of wood. In this, the numbers 0 to 9 were marked on a set of ivory sticks. It was used to do basic calculations and to find the square root of a number. Pascaline calculator. Blaise Pascal has credited the first digital computer in 1642. It was the first mechanical calculator named as Pascaline. It consisted of a rectangular box with wheels. It could add and subtract numbers automatically. The basic principle of his calculator is still used today in water meters and modern-day odometers. Leibniz's calculator. In 1671, the German mathematician-philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz designed a calculating machine called the Steprechner. It did multiplication by repeated addition and shifting. It could add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. Difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1834. Engine was an automatic mechanical calculator used to calculate and print mathematical tables. Analytical engine had 5 basic components: input, output, store, mill, and control. The main parts of his machine were called the store and mill. Store was used to store the data and mill was the calculating unit. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace suggested some programs to Charles Babbage for the analytical engine. She is considered as the first programmer. Generations of computers. Generation of computer means the change that computers can pass from one time to another with technology, hardware, and software. There are 5 computer generations known till date. Computers are classified into the following generations. First generation computers, 1940 to 1958. Vacuum tube based. Characteristics of the first generation computers. First generation computers were developed by using vacuum tubes. These were very large in size. These had small internal storage. These were very expensive. These relied on punched cards and paper tape. Examples of first generation computers are as follows. Mark I. It was developed by Howard H. Aiken in the year 1944. The machine was slow and took about 5 seconds per calculation. It was the first fully automatic calculator. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was developed by John Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly in the year 1946. Whereas Mark I took 5 seconds per calculation, the ENIAC could do it in 200 microseconds. It was the first fully electronic digital computer. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. It was developed by Professor M. Wilkes of Cambridge University, England. It was faster than the ENIAC. It was the first stored program computer. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was developed by John P. Eckert and John W. Mauchly. It was used to store programs and data also. UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. It was developed by John P. Eckert and John W. Mauchly. It was the world's first commercially developed electronic digital computer. Second generation computers 1959 to 1964, transistor based. Characteristics of the second generation computers. Second generation computers were developed by using transistors. These were smaller, faster and more energy efficient. Input was based on punched cards. They also contained all the components that we associate with modern-day computers like printer, memory, disk storage, operating system. These were very cheap. IBM 1401 and Honeywell 400 are examples of second-generation computers. Third-generation computers 1964 to 1971, integrated circuit-based. Characteristics of the third-generation computers. Third-generation computers were developed by using the integrated circuit, IC, also known as chips. These were smaller and cheaper than the second-generation computers. These had higher storage capabilities. These used an operating system. These could run different programs at the same time. These used a keyboard to input data and a monitor to display output. IBM 360 and IBM 370 are examples of third-generation computers. Fourth-generation computers 1971 to present. Characteristics of the fourth-generation computers. Fourth-generation computers were developed by using microprocessor technology. The machine of fourth generation started generating very low amount of heat. These are the cheapest among all the computer generations. These improved the speed, accuracy and reliability of the computers. The use of microprocessors decreased the size of the computers. IBM PC and Apple Macintosh are examples of fourth-generation computers. Fifth-generation computers 1989 to future. The fifth-generation computers are known as supercomputers. Supercomputers have high speed, high storage and the capability to perform high level of computer operations. Param 8000 is an example of supercomputers. It is based on the artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is a part of computer science which is concerned with making computers behave like humans. The goal is to develop the device which can respond to natural language input and is capable of learning. Characteristics of computers. The following are the characteristics of a computer. Speed. A computer can perform calculations at a very high speed. Storage. Memory is a very important characteristic of a computer. A computer system can store a large amount of data in a systematic manner. Accuracy. A computer is very accurate. Diligence. A computer is a machine. It can work continuously without any error and boredom. Versatility. A computer can perform different types of work with different types of data, like pictures, audio, and video at the same time.